How to check your Walmart gift card balance. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video we will learn how we can check Walmart gift card balance. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to open up your Walmart application. Make sure that you're signed in. After that, navigate to the bottom right corner, tap on the account icon. That's gonna take you to your account page. Once you're here, head over to top right corner, tap on the settings icon. Under your account settings, you have to head over to your wallet. Once you land on this kind of interface, there's an option as a gift card, so tap on gift card. Now you have to add a gift card into your Walmart account. Make sure that you enter your card number, 4-digit PIN, and also you could give your gift card a nickname. If you are wondering where you could find your gift card PIN, then make sure that you check at the back of the card. So that is your PIN as shown in this interface right here. Once done, tap on save card, and once your card is saved, your card's current balance and recent activity will appear in your gift card section. So that's it. That's how you can check your gift card or Walmart gift card balance, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.